Hello, my SMART student. Halo murid Mister yang pintar-pintar. How are you? Apa kabarnya? Nah, this time is special for online. Khusus untuk online ya. We have one student ya. Ada satu murid yang nggak masuk. Nah, today we will come to the grammar focus. Hari ini kita akan masuk ke grammar focus. Oke, kita langsung saja ya. Now, open your book, page 100. Wait, let me. Oke, 109. Buka bukunya halaman 109. Oke. Nah, this time we will have the grammar focus. Kita akan belajar tata bahasanya ya. Nah, part 7, you will listen and say the sentence. Kalian akan dengar dan ikuti cara pengucapannya. We have the list here. Kita ada daftar tata bahasanya di sini. I will explain later on. Nanti bisa jelaskan. Oke. Nah, this time listen and say. Dengar dan ucapkan. Follow the audio. Ikuti audionya ya. Listen, dengar.
7. Listen and say the sentences.
Whose apartment is it? It's mine. Whose candy is that? That's yours. Whose fries are these? They're Tony's. Whose erasers are those? They're mine.
Okay, now after you listen, let me explain about the sentence, okay? Now, today we will learn about asking about belongings. Sekarang kita akan belajar tentang belongings, kepemilikan, kepunyaan. I know that you have your own belongings, okay? Kalian punya barang pribadi masing-masing ya. Example, you can say the pen, pena, or books atau buku. Now, we want to learn about the sentence. Kita mau belajar tentang kalimatnya. Okay? Now, in the book, we start with whose apartment is it? Okay? Whose apartment is it? It's mine. It's yours. It's Tony's. Or it's Tony's soccer ball, if you ask me soccer ball, kalau tanya tentang soccer ball. Okay? Nah, when we see the question, ketika kita lihat pertanyaan di sini, whose, okay? Whose, it means kepunyaan siapa, atau punya siapa. Whose, punya siapa. Okay? Now, next, apartment, we already know apartment is same with the flat. Okay, sama dengan flat kalau di Britishnya ya. Now, whose apartment is it? We learn about mine. Mine artinya punya saya. Okay, mine itu punya saya. Yours, punya kamu. Nah, kalau Tony's, ini ada apostrophe, koma, baru S. Ini artinya ini punyanya si Tony. So, if you want to use the name, kalau kalian menggunakan nama, okay, you need to put apostrophe, harus taruh koma atas, baru S. Example, contohnya ya. Ini kan pena Mister ya. Okay. Now, you can call Carol's pen. Penanya Carol. Okay. Or Ashery's book. Ada S ya. Ashery's book. Bukunya si Ashery. Okay. Nah, if you use mine, saya, punya saya, itu kita nggak perlu sebut objeknya. Yours, punya kamu, tidak perlu kamu sebut objeknya. Nah, when you want to answer, ketika kamu mau jawab, you need to look the last, okay, the last word. Perhatikan baik-baik kata yang terakhirnya. Look here, this one. Coba ya. Whose apartment is it? Follow me. Whose apartment is it? Apartemen siapa ini? Nah, if the last one is it, kalau di belakangnya kan it, ya. The answer you will use it. Nah, if you look here, kalau kalian lihat di sini kan it belakangnya ya. If it, the answer should be its, okay? It ini kan kata ganti untuk benda ya, kata ganti benda ya. Nah, it's. Jadi kalau di belakangnya it's, kita gunakan it's juga di jawabannya. It's mine, itu punya saya. It's yours, itu punya kamu. It's Tony's, ini punya si Tony. Oke, ya. If the last one is it's itu kata ganti bendanya. Jadi bendanya kita ganti. What apartment is it? Apartemen siapa ini? Oke. What soccer ball? Whose soccer ball is it? Sorry. Whose soccer ball is it? Bola siapa ini? Whose cap is it? Whose pencil is it? Okay, so it's using it. Ini menggunakan it. Okay, next. Nah, di sini still using whose, kita masih gunakan whose, but tapi the back is that, tapi belakangnya gunakan that. Now look here, this one using is, to be-nya masih is karena bendanya whose apartment is it? Whose candy is that? Ini bendanya masih satu. Kita nanya benda yang jumlahnya masih singular. Ya. We are talking singular. Kita lagi bicara tentang singular. Bendanya satu. Ya. Nah, so whose candy is that? That tahu arti that? That itu artinya itu ya. That. Oke. Okay. Ada juga this. This itu ini. Oke. Okay. That itu this ini. Nah, we use that and this, kita gunakan that and this, okay? If the object is one, kalau bendanya itu satu. Whose candy is that? Whose hair is that? Or we can use this, kita bisa gunakan this. Example, this one. Whose pen is this? Kan this, karena dekat dengan Mister ya. Whose pen is that? Pena siapa itu? Nah, the answer, jawabannya, remember, look the last one. Kalau di belakang menggunakan that, if we use that, kita ngomongin itu, that, the answer, we should use that. Kita gunakan juga that. Example, this one, it. Okay? It. The answer is it's. It's ini dari it is. It is. Okay? From it is, become contraction digabung jadi it's. Okay? Nah, kalau di belakangnya that, ini kan menggunakan is ya, karena satu. Berarti jawabannya, that's itu dari that is you combine, that is digabungkan dipendekkan jadi that's. Kalau this, Mister, kalau this gimana? This same, this is, okay. Kalau that ini kan that ya, that's mine, itu punya saya. Look ya, apostrophe s ini apostrophe s ini artinya that is digabung jadi satu ya. That's mine, that's yours, that's Tony. Or look this one, that's Tony's candy. You can mention the object. Kalian juga bisa sebutkan bendanya. Kalau this gimana, Mister? This, you can answer. Example, contoh ya. Whose pear is this? Buah pir siapa ini? Okay. The answer, this is mine. Bisa gitu ya. This is mine. This is yours. This is Tony's. This is Haura's. This is Helmi's. Or this is Kenji's pair. Bisa gunakan nama ya. Tapi ingat, apostrophe S. Kalau gunakan nama. Ini nih, apostrophe S. Tony's, ini pakai S. Ini artinya kepunyaan. Tapi kalau that's, di sini, ini singkatan dari that is. Okay. Now, Mister, if this one is for singular, kalau ini kalau menggunakannya kalau bendanya satu, gimana kalau plural? Now, look here. Yang paling bawah, if the object is plural. What is it plural? Apa plural? More than one. Lebih dari satu. Okay. Now this one, plural, we use still the same, whose. Now the object here is more than one. Bendanya di sini harus lebih dari satu ya. Like fries, kentang goreng. Nah pakai S, lebih dari satu. Okay. Or candies, atau candies, permen, or erasers, pakai S. Nah, the to be is using are. To be-nya nggak is lagi. Is for singular. Is itu untuk singular. Dan are itu plural. Nah, kalau these dan those is changing. This ini bentuk dari plural, bentuk kalau lebih dari satu. This kalau lebih dari satu berubah jadi these. Oke. Okay? That more than one, lebih dari satu berubah jadi those. Oke. Okay? Itu kalau bendanya lebih dari satu. Nah, look here. Whose fries are these? Nah, whose Erasers are those. Oke, plural kalau bandanya plural. Nah, di sini jawabannya same. Look the last one. Lihat yang terakhir. Oke, they kita gunakan kata they. Oke, they are mine, they are yours, they are Tony's, they are Tony's eraser. Oke, so it's talking about belongings. Bicara tentang kepunyaan. Okay, so that's all for today. We learn about the grammar focus. Itulah tata bahasa kita hari ini. You may practice, bisa latihan di rumah. And I will leave the note. I will leave the note. Okay, I will leave this note to you. Saya tinggalkan catatan ini. You write in your house. Catat di rumah. Okay, that's all for today. Mr. Carols. Bye-bye.